far down here, there's like a piece that goes in. Actually, I have some other parts for that. Okay. Well, shout out to the 18-year-old kids who stole their dad's trailer last night and came and picked up both of the motorcycles. I sold the motorcycles for very cheap because I got them for very cheap. And honestly, the kid who I sold them to and all his friends, they seem like good bros. They seem pretty awesome. So everything's turning out fine. Today I'm actually going to get to this. I would like to see this running today. And as far as other bikes go, I already got my eye on like 2 to 5 others. Yeah, right.
No caramel at all, sorry.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
No problem. No.
Oh, you don't want to do your chowder mouth accent on camera? It was good.
Listen, do you guys see this? 6 cream, 6 liquid. Did we order that? You guys were there for it. We didn't.
America runs on dopamine.
I'll pull into this other one.
I
Oh,
was
it's
gonna
the
say,
same one.
Is that the same
Oh,
one?
no,
No, it's a
not.
different one.
It is. Oh, I'm so disappointed.
Oh, yo, Kawasaki dealership. I'll sell this Kawasaki. I'm picking it up here. Literally, though, if they'll buy that, I will drop that off there and make $100 today. We'd chill.
They might buy it.
Right?
1,000 feet, slight right onto Katy Crotch Road.
Oh, the potholes in this one. Awesome. Yeah, she looks pretty much like she did. Looks like she doesn't have air filters, like you said.
Yeah.
Cool. Did you just throw those on your other bike?
No, the ones that were on it were nasty, dirty, so I just tossed them out. They're like $13 for the set of 4
Oh, nice.
at the parts store.
Anything else? Anything else about it?
No, I told you about needed the rear blinker right here.
Yup.
Got banged or something in the garage.
Yeah. It doesn't even look like you ever dropped it, huh?
Nope, never.
Not bad. Not bad. Maybe tired. A little old, but could be worse. Could be rotten.
Right.
Cool. Awesome. Well, that sounds good. Can I get a bill of sale?
Yeah.
This is a 1983 Kawasaki, I think it's a KZ 750 LTD. It's 750. Limited. Ooh. This thing, we were making fun of how gigantic this is. Let's see, we got any dot 3 in there? Yep, full. Nice. Okay. Cool. The only things this is missing is right now it doesn't have a battery because the guy I bought it from put it on his new bike and he's been running it without these. Yike. Anyway, figure it out, but let's just take a look at it. $450. Oh, hi. I mean, that's a proper motorcycle. This is broken. It's pretty obvious. Otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. Wow, what a good girl. What's that, right? Oh yeah, does it smell like a good deal to you? Okay. Came with this sick sticker. Oh, I got something in the mail. Nice, thanks. Yeah, it's a food vlog. Look at that.